Good day. Welcome to RmaBabaYoruba. We are still on tone practice. In our last lesson, we discussed about the meaning of tone mark as well as the definition. We have the high tone, the low tone, and the middle tone. The high tone is referred to as mi in Yoruba language. The middle tone is referred to as re in Yoruba language, and the low tone is referred to as do in Yoruba language. Ìró omi, èyí ni ìró tí a pè nígbà tí a gbé ohùn wa sókè. Ìró re, èyí ni ìró tí a pè nígbà tí a gbé ohùn wa sí agbede méjì òkè àti ìsàlẹ̀. Ìró ìsàlẹ̀, èyí ni ìró tí a pè nígbà tí a gbé ohùn wa sí ìsàlẹ̀. We are going to start with the high tone. When we want to pronounce the high tone, we are going to pronounce it out. Likewise, we pronounce it in, just as I'm going to do now. Mi, mi. Now let me pronounce it in. Let's try re as well. Re. Then the third one. Do, do, do. So when we are applying the three tone, the mi, which is the high tone, is going to be facing the right hand side on the slant form. Then the do is going to be on the left side in the slant form as I have it. Then the re, we don't indicate that when we are applying the tone mark. We are going to stop here today and we are going to continue on the next episode. Don't forget to like, click, share and subscribe to our channel for more video upload.
RmaBabaYoruba TV.